You have options. This is the Asher cut setup. I have in rose gold and in yellow gold the Halo Emerald cut setup. These are all diamond stud earrings. And then the floral design with the round diamonds. Take a close look. They're all pushbacks, so they're easy to put on and off. They're all comfortable. Everything is 14 karat. Everything is genuine diamonds. The price is super low. I mean, I've discounted it. I've always discounted, and now I'm pushing it even further, reducing my margins just to accommodate everyone that's a loyal follower. I want to help all of you, so help me get things done earlier so we don't wait till the last minute. Oh, these look amazing. These are nice and bright, classy. This stuff also has been, this is a very popular item right here. This setup right here, everyone loves. I don't even know how many of these I sold.